Hello everyone, warm welcome. This is Bruce Lee on the ZX Spectrum. Now I've tried loading this before. The Spectrum's been a bit unpredictable, just not loading. I thought I'd put it on straight away. It's loaded up, no bother. Very strange. Anyway, we're going to have a little playthrough. Don't know how good I'll be. I've actually got Turrican 2 booting up on the Commodore. We'll have a shot of that later on, but this is Bruce Lee for now. Let's have a game, eh? I have actually clocked this back in the day. Right, it's M, isn't it? Right, okay. So I'm on the keys. It's Q, A, O, P, and M. Your task is to collect all these lanterns, the Japanese lanterns, without dying. I'll see the ninja. Oh, and you got that fat guy. There's actually a new version of this come out. Graphically, it's better. Got more colours added on. It's called Bruce Lee RX. And if you have a look at my videos, I did review it. It's just the same. It's exactly the same layout, just better graphics, really, and more colourful, I would say. Sounds slightly different as well, but not that much really. Same sort of play, same sort of gameplay. Ooh. Now I might look like I'm an expert on this, but we'll see how it goes, eh? It's a matter of time. Did I get all of them? Right. Yeah, it's three in the bottom I've got to get. So once you get these three, the floor in the middle and the next screen opens up, you can get below. And as you can see, there's not much sound, but I like to listen to the tune once I finish on here. It's a canny little tune for the ZX Spectrum 48, you know. There we go. So I'm going under the ground now. Surprised I haven't died yet. You get on there, boy. That's it. Oh no! Needed to get that. Oh well, we'll see what happens. Can't believe I left one behind. Some tricky parts on this. Obviously, if you go the wrong way, you're going to be stabbed by the swords here. This was definitely one of my favourites when I first got the Spectrum. Definitely. My brother loved it as well. I don't know why they didn't make a sequel. Really could have pushed the boundaries on this game, because the playability is there. They could have just updated the graphics, added a few different missions, a bit more open world. I don't know, but yeah, it's a shame they didn't do a sequel. I don't know how many it sold at the time. Oh, this is awkward. Right, I'm gonna die. I'll get through the skin of my teeth. Oh yes, I'm actually doing all right at the moment. Oh no, right. There's little explosions here. Let me see the oof. Oh, right. Oh, you ran right into that, didn't I? Right. Anyway, get right at the end here. See them blue sprays. I thought they're firecrackers or something. Oh no. Oof. Just got through there. Them two snuffed it though. Them two just keep respawning, but they're not in every screen, because some of the games are sort of puzzle based, I would say. You got to get the timings right as well for the jumps. Let's see, you can't touch that white. I think it's an electricity bolt or some sort of electricity. Just gotta avoid it. Avoid it best you can. Right, so you gotta go back up here again. Get the other side. Right, two up the top there to get. Oh god! Don't do anything daft. I'm actually doing quite well there. Oh Jesus! Why do I keep my mouth shut? Right, okay. I'm gonna see nothing. I might clock it. You never know. Done it once before, just once. Sure, I can do it again. Alright, here we go. Alright, keep going, keep going. Okay. I don't think you can get extra lives in this. See, this came out for the Commodore 64, the Amstrad, and a few other computers back in the day. Right, right. Next time I'm going to go. Don't fall down the bottom. Oh, he's fell down the bottom. Ooh. Right, we'll try that again, shall we? So you just gotta get the timings right of the jumps, or that's what happens. Could have fell to my death here, but I didn't. That's it. I think I've got the other side. So you gotta get over here, open that up, back over. As I say, I'm not going to see nothing, because every time I see something, I lose a life. Okay. Right. Here at the top, I think it is. Yep. Okay, the bad guys are back. The ninja. Oh, another one. This came out about 84, I think it was. I think Ocean had something to do with it, actually, in Datasoft, if I'm right. Did it have that at the start? Oh. Okay, so I've got to go back down there, huh? I'm trying to figure out, oh, that's it. Trying to get me bearings again. Oh, no, no, no! Oh, God, this is not good. This is not good. How am I going to get out of that? Can I get to the side? Come on. No, just try to get the left. The right, the right, the right, the right, the right. Whew. How on earth did I escape that? Okay. Right. I'll go back down now. Look. I think I do, you know. Sorry, I'm just trying to get. See when you get back up there. Oh. There, my moon or whatever they want to do. Right. I'm heading down there again. I'm going to get the lantern as well. That's it. Okay. Oh, I've got to go all the way back around again. Oh, no. I'm sure this isn't right. I'm sure I've missed something here. Oh, the chasing is. It's funny because sometimes them two usually have a battle. Look, he's going to just go into the swords. Yeah, daft kid. And he's going to go down into the swords. Yeah, he's stuck. He's trapped. Oh, his friend will help him out. Watch this. Oh no, he's just going back to kill himself, I think. Oh no, oh, you got out. Well, come on and get us if you can, son. Come on. He's not coming up. No, he's not. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. Right, I'm gonna go all the way back. Right, I've got everything, haven't I? I've missed something, yeah, you know, I really have. I don't know what I've done. Took a wrong turn somewhere. Oh, yeah. Shit. Oh, pressure's on here. Pressure is on. Come on. Let's go back down. Do we go down? No, definitely go up. Come on, son, you can get the top. Go on, Bruce. You're strong. Okay, okay. What have I done? What have I got here? I can't get up there, can I? No. So. Right. Okay, that's where I go. Along here. The gate has opened. We'll continue on our journey. Oh, the bridge. I remember that bridge. You got to time it just right or you'll fall to your death. Yes. A bit of that. You never know. Oh no, I'm going to keep my mouth shut. Don't say nothing stupid. Oh, okay. Oh, they're going to come back as well. Oh no. Right, I'll get them once first. Get this one next. Oof, right. Going for it, he's going for it. Yeah, come on, I can do this. Let's get along there without them touching us. Okay. Go up the top first, get them two. Okay. And you just fall on there, is that right? Yeah. You go on these 3 tunnels. First one. Oh no, I've got to get across there. Ooh, that was close. If I can complete this, anybody can, honestly. The only thing which will probably kill you is them 2 guys, or obviously the firecrackers on the ground there. They be a bit awkward, or sorry, the jumps. Right, come on, get straight out here. Excellent. Do like a jump where they can't really hit you. I've got to hit that. Yeah. Oh, you. Right, this is my last life. Come on, come on. No pressure. Okay, next one. Okay, oh, I'm just going to climb down. Just got to watch these 2 don't get too close to us. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, I was only a few screens away from completing it. But, yeah, that's Bruce Lee on the ZX Spectrum 48. Obviously, it's on my +3 and actually loaded up and worked. So, yeah, that's a great game. you've got a Spectrum, you need to get Bruce Lee. I loved it back in the day, and I still do. Play it any time. And in fact, I think I have another game after this. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your likes and subscribes, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye bye.